Tired of seeing your USDT just sitting in your Coinbase account and ready to turn those digital dollars into real ones? First, let's head over to Coinbase Pro, which generally offers lower fees than the standard Coinbase platform login with your usual Coinbase credentials. It's the same account. Once you're logged in, find the trade button, typically located near the top left of the screen. Click it to access the trading interface. Now, search for the USDT/USD trading pair. This is crucial as it allows you to directly exchange your USDT for US dollars. Next, select the sell tab. You'll usually see options like limit, market, and stop orders. For a quick conversion, choose market order. This will sell your USDT at the current market price. Enter the amount of USDT you want to sell in the designated field. Double-check the estimated USD value you'll receive and then hit that Sell USDT button. Now that your USDT has been converted to USD, go to the Balances section. You should see your USD balance reflected there. Find the Withdraw button next to your USD balance and click on it. Select your linked bank account from the options provided. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you'll need to add one by following Coinbase's verification process. Enter the amount of USD you want to withdraw to your bank account. Confirm all the details, including the withdrawal amount and your bank information. Then, click Withdraw USD. You'll see a confirmation screen with the details of your withdrawal. Take note of the estimated processing time, which can vary but usually takes 15 business days. And that's it. Keep an eye on your bank account for the deposit. Now you've successfully transferred your USDT from Coinbase to your bank account.